Dr. Joshua Dunsky from Dunsky Rehab and Exclusive Nerve and Disc Centers, and I'm here with my friend Kate today from Franklin, Massachusetts. Kate, can you tell us what you were like when you first came in? January of, I just said, 2018, right?
Yeah, about 2 years ago.
2 years ago. What were your symptoms like when you first came in?
I was bent over. I'm not sure what the technical term for that is, stuck in a bent position. I had some numb toes, cold feet, pain in my back, my ankle had weakness to it. I couldn't do a lot physically.
Yeah, tell us about that. What were your limitations?
Exercise was, if I was feeling good and I'd start exercising, it would exacerbate all the problems. So that was a problem. And standing for any period of time, walking for any period of time, just even wearing dress shoes and trying to maneuver the world like that was difficult.
Right.
So,
right. And you were diagnosed with degenerative disc disease, a herniated disc.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What is life like now? So it's been 2 years. You've been through the program. How are you doing?
I'm doing really well. I don't know if I should talk to you or them.
Yeah, you're doing. You're doing.
So I can exercise now. I walk like 4 miles a day, every day.
Great.
I've lost almost 50 pounds, which is,
Awesome.
I mean, that's got to help something, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
I can feel my feet. If I were standing up, you'd see that I would stand straight, mostly. And I don't know, it just, I'm not in pain anymore.
Great. Excellent. I'm so happy you're doing well.
Me too.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.